What's up? It's Kyle from Ante Graphic Supply. I got Siser's brand new metal foil HTV. I'm going to press this in a second and show you guys how it looks. Alright, so previously Siser only had metal in gold, silver, bronze, and tiger lily. Now they just released this purple, which I'm going to press onto this black t-shirt. Presses just like the other metal colors, 305 for 15 seconds, and it's a cold peel. I actually cut this bigger than the platen size here, so I'm going to have to press this twice, so we're going to see what happens. So I'm just going to line this up on the shirt, and it's hanging off a little bit here. Teflon sheet as always. Alright, so little edge here I need to press, so I'm just going to scoot this up. Teflon sheet. Press it again. Alright, so now we've got it pressed. Now Siser Metal is a cold peel, so I'm just going to throw it on my table. Get it cooled down. Doesn't take too long to cool. Man, it looks good already. Alright. Now you just peel it off, you're good to go. Okay, see that? Look at how cool that is. What do you guys think? You like that new? The new Siser purple? Looks awesome. Metal's really nice too. It's nice and soft, it's smooth, it doesn't feel plasticky at all. It's almost into the material. It's perfect. Get yours at AnteGraphicSupply.com. I'll put it in the description. Let me know if you have any questions. See you.